Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Ranita. Let's make spicy ginger garlic paste today. Before we get started, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Note down or screenshot this super simple recipe. So let's begin. In a clean blender, add some clean and chopped ginger, green chilies and garlic. Add some water to the same. If you want to store this ginger garlic paste for a long time, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Blend it well and your ginger garlic paste is ready. If you've tried any of my recipes, share pictures on Instagram and tag me there. Links to all my social medias are provided in the description box below. Check it out. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.